QuickBooks POS system will be phased out. What you need to know is as follows. If you operate a business and utilize QuickBooks Point of Sale, you may have recently heard some disturbing news. QuickBooks is abandoning its POS system. While this may raise concern at first, there is no need to panic. In this video, we'll go over all you need to know about the issue and why switching to Shopify Point of Sale is the best option for your business. What is the status of QuickBooks POS? In a nutshell, QuickBooks will no longer develop or maintain its point of sale system. If you are presently utilizing QuickBooks POS, you will need to locate an alternate solution. Why is QuickBooks retiring its POS system? While we don't have all of the information, it appears like QuickBooks is terminating its POS system to focus on other aspects of its company. QuickBooks will continue to develop and maintain its accounting software, so if you use both QuickBooks Point of Sale and QuickBooks Accounting, you can be confident that your accounting software will function properly. What is the best QuickBooks POS replacement? There are several solutions available, but the finest by far is Shopify Point of Sale. Shopify has long been the most popular e-commerce platform. Its point-of-sale system is incredibly user-friendly and smoothly interacts with Shopify's online shop platform. In other words, if you already use Shopify to power your online business, switching to Shopify POS will be simple. Furthermore, Shopify provides 24-hour help in the event that you encounter any issues. Click the link below to speak with a specialist about if switching is the best option for you. QuickBooks is terminating its point-of-sale system, which implies that store owners who are already using QuickBooks POS must find a replacement. The good news is that Shopify Point of Sale is the ideal answer for any retailer in need of a new POS system. It not only integrates effortlessly with Shopify's online shop platform, but it also provides 24/7 assistance in case of any issues. If you're searching for a new POS system, Shopify Point of Sale is the way to go. To speak with an expert one-on-one, please click the link below.